Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is Thursday, April the 23rd. This is a little series where we like to show you things you can expect to see from us at RJR Fabrics Studio. This week, since I didn't make one last week, we had a lot of boxes that we went through. So I hope you enjoy some boxes because we got quite a bit coming. So without further ado, let's get right into it. And that does it for this week. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed watching all those boxes being opened. Everything I can find will be linked in the description below in the order that they have been opened. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you're new here or you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. And we'll see you next week.